I'm sitting here with Francois Strydom, who's just been confirmed as the Managing Director of SENWES as of Friday last week. And we're talking about the company's possible listing on the JSE. Francois, thanks so much for joining us. Have you confirmed a particular date for the JSE listing?
No, we haven't, Sue. We're busy with all the regulatory preconditions that we have to apply to. So we're busy with that work. We've just appointed a sponsor, and we see that there could possibly be two windows of possible listing, the one being October, November this year, and maybe the next one is in March of 2011.
In terms of the timing, at the moment, market's obviously very volatile, and your particular result, your full year results to April, not looking so pretty. Is the worst over for you, and are you concerned about the market volatility?
I think the main thing to remember about our particular industry, Sue, is we've got a lag on mainstream economy of about 18 months. So when you see the inflation bottoming out, we're at our lowest point. So the next year will be for the agricultural, specifically for the primary agricultural sector, would be the toughest year. And you'll see us coming through. And of course the world markets being highly volatile is of extreme concern to us in the possible listing, and that's one of the things that I'll certainly consider when making the final decision.
And how much are you hoping to raise on your IPO?
It's not a big amount that we're hoping to raise. Our main aim is to list and be ready when our specific sector sparks up. So it would be a small amount, 100 to 200 million at the offset.
And what has the interest kind of been from investors?
I think they're really looking forward. If you look at the sector, there's really only one other agricultural company, namely AFGRI, that's listed in that sector. It is, to my mind, it'll be a defensive share. So what we've heard from the markets, they're really looking forward to SENWES coming onto the market.
Now, post your listing, what are you hoping for in terms of market share, considering that AFGRI is your biggest competitor?
I think geographically we're in different areas. There will be some overlaps, but our interest is, and our main focus is of course white maize, and we're a big role player in the wheat sector. And of course our expansion into Africa is just getting on its way now.
A bit of a dampener for the company at the moment is that pending Competition Commission case. Or what is the status of that at the moment?
Yes, we're at the appeal court now. We're very positive that things will work out well. We understand that the sector is almost targeted by the Competition Commission, and we're confident that things will work out well.
Very quickly, you've just started up in Malawi. How is that business there going?
It's just a startup business. We're entering Africa very, very slowly. We've just started trading in commodities. So I'm happy, to establish ourselves very slowly in Africa.